shake, shake, shake.
You little windjammer.
Oh. Where are you going?
No, no, no.
We're not going to touch it. It's just for looking.
No, no, no.
Where'd the ball go?
No,
See, I didn't do nothing yet.
No, no, no. Just look.
Pretty.
You can talk. That's all right. You can talk.
Actually, we need to sop up the oil before we put it in the sink.
That's a good boy. Whatever that is, better pick it up. Thank you.
Pretty.
That's pretty.
Good job, Dash. Way to just look. Pretty.
She said, boy, this is hard just to look.
Good job. Pretty lights. Pretty. Yeah. Pretty lights.
That's a question. That's a statement.
Yay!
Pretty. Stop. Dash. You don't touch, just look. Thank you.
You're walking a lot, Mom. I'm sure that's
Yeah.
I gotta scoot back because I am too tempted.
Stop. Thank you. I know, it's so pretty.
Just want to touch it so bad.
You're going to find out about half of those were swear words after him.
taken right after his daddy. I heard him say daddy a while ago.
Coming up here.
Not